Hey guys, today I'm gonna be on, but I'm not sure say if this is on unboxing, more like on bagging, whatever that is. It's not a box, but forget about that. And what I'm gonna be unboxing today is a Walmeck 30-watt 18-volt flexible solar panel system. Okay, and I'm gonna use my assistant here to slice this bag open. There you go. Get this bag open here. It's like double bagged, I guess. Or just triple bagged. Let's find out here. Alright, I got 2 layers of plastic, it looks like. Then it has some foam underneath those 2 layers of plastic. Okay. There's the foam. It's taped up underneath here. Now, let's get this all separated here so I can get in here. Gotta be careful. I don't want to mess up the solar panel inside. So, relax a little bit. Alright. Now after the foam comes the box. And all of that, now you gotta take it out the box. Okay, now get into the box here. We get all these tape seals off here. Alright, now finally get to the device here. And these are the connectors you get with it. And this is a battery connector. So you can connect it to a battery. And this goes to the solar panel. And here is your car connector. You can plug it into your car here. And this connection goes to your solar panel, excuse me. That's the second connection. And then, yep, they're falling off, but here's the suction pads here. And you can stick it to glass or any surface that you can put these on. This is the rear of the panel. And you can see these little holes here. This is where you can attach it and put it up anywhere you'd like. Just, set that up. And so here is where your connections go. There's the plug. And here's the USB right here. Okay? Flip it around here. You guys can see that. It's close enough. It tells you. Can get that in the shot real good. All your readings here for your USB, how much it puts out, temperature. That's all in the back here. And this is the front. It has a little film on it on the solar panel here. Let me see if I can get that off here. Or should I even take it off? I'm not sure. Because it's protecting the solar panel. I might want to leave it there. Here it is. Now, if you guys can see, once it got a little bit of light on it, the power light indicator came on this control unit back here. So I have a USB device here. I'm going to plug right into it. Let's see. Let me turn it around and get some light shining on it, see if it picks up anything. If it's not picking up anything, it won't work. So it's not picking anything up. I guess it have to be in direct light. So it's barely picking it up. Let me hold it there for a second. If you guys can see this starting to kick in now. But it's just starting to get a signal on this solar panel here. So if I hold it directly to the light, then it starts to kick in. Oh, sorry about this, guys. It's all backwards for you guys. You can see this. Let me go turn it back over here. Sorry about that. Right side up now. But I have it held up. Right now I have it just held up to next to the light. That's why it's flickering like that, because it's not in full sunlight. It's just getting light from my light stand here. So there we go. Oh no, I have to get it just right to get the full effect here. So that's why it's doing like that. But it works. It has to be in direct light. But just so you guys know, you guys have to have it in direct light so that it can get a good reading. Like I have it in direct light finally now. So it works. But you guys have to have it in direct light. You guys could put this in, like, say, you know, in the car window or something, if you want to charge your stuff in the car, or anywhere that you can get a nice direct beam of sunshine on it. You know, so you guys can get the full effect. You know, if there's like a emergency, you want to charge something and you got it, you know, sun's out, the power goes out, you'll have a solar panel ready to go, you know. But the reason I got it is because it has the dual outputs on the back, the USB, and then the power connector back here. So that's why I got it. But this is a monocrystalline silicone solar panel. If you guys want to know what it's made out of, that's the type of solar panel this is. So there's different types, and this is the one this is. So that's it, guys. Don't want to go crazy, make this video too long for you, but that's the solar panel. I hope it was helpful. Hope you learned something from it. You know, maybe you want one in the future. And as always, I thank you for watching the video. Bye-bye.